Hey, it's Rachel with WTI. This is my absolute favorite tea for the fall and the winter. It's by Trader Joe's. It's the Harvest Blend and it's herbal tea. It just has a wonderful cinnamon flavor. Now, it's not just cinnamon, it has a bit of a complex flavor. It has orange peel, there's some chicory, ginger, hibiscus, chamomile. It is wonderful. A plus to this as well is that it is caffeine free. I have been drinking this, I don't know for how many years, and I have not found a tea that I like more in the winter and the fall. It comes in these square tea bags, and what I'll do is just put one into a cup with boiling water. I'll let it steep for about 4 to 6 minutes, and then I'll enjoy it. I often add honey or sweetener into black teas because I find them bitter. The flavor in this is so wonderful, it's so intense that I don't even think you need to add sweetener. So if you're looking for a delicious tea, definitely check out the Harvest Blend by Trader Joe's. I love it. I have not found a better tea to drink in the winter and fall to keep me warm, and that's my point of view.